The following portion of Daytime Blue Ridge is sponsored by
at Second to Nature with owner Rebecca Whitehill. Thanks so much for letting me come into your store and get to know a little bit about it. So if somebody hasn't heard, tell us about the store.
Well, I fit ladies that have had a mastectomy with breast prosthesis and bras, and we take care of them from the beginning to end.
Absolutely. I mean, you being there during all those steps is seriously probably such a support system for a lot of these women. Yeah. Now, I've noticed that you have a lot of certificates on the wall, so you have to be certified to do this, is that right?
Yes, I'm a board-certified mastectomy fitter, so that I have an accredited facility so that I can bill Medicare.
So you're good to go.
Good to go.
Okay. Now, I'm sure you have a ton of stories, but we actually have somebody here that's going to share their story with us, a little testimony. What's her name? And tell us a little bit about her.
Her name is Katrina, and she's very near and dear to my heart.
On Valentine's Day, 2012, I had the dreaded words spoken to me, and that was that I had breast cancer. Since then, actually today is 4 years, 4 months as a survivor. Second to Nature can really empower you because when you have that diagnosis, it's terrifying. You get past that, then you realize your body is completely different and will be forever. But Rebecca can help you through that as well. I chose not to do reconstruction, so I actually have prosthesis. And so I was actually scanned, and so I had prosthesis made, and she walked me through all those steps as well. She has helped me to look girly again, and I love that. She knew what fabrics I would need against my skin after surgery. She knew to teach me to layer my clothes after having had surgery and having a port. She just walked me through all the steps I needed, and gracefully so. If you're a runner, then you need different bras, different camisoles. She also has bathing suits if you're a swimmer. You've got to have just the right thing once you're diagnosed with breast cancer, so she'll walk you through it. It's terrifying, like I said at first, but when you come into a facility like this and you meet her and you learn what she can teach you and how she can empower you, then you meet other people as they're coming and going. There's a camaraderie there.
That's an amazing story. Now, what kind of inspired you to do this?
Well, I knew that there was a need for this, and I just really enjoy working with people and helping them out.
I'm sure it's incredibly rewarding, right?
It is.
Right. Well, if somebody wants to get in touch with you, what's your address, phone number, website?
Okay, 5450 Peters Creek Road, and our phone number is 540-366-2711. And if you go to my Facebook page, it's Second to Nature Roanoke.
Okay, great. Thank you so much for letting us come in, for sharing Katrina's story.
Thank you.